Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Shalise. I'm investing. I'm documenting my journey. I am not a financial advisor, but I am like you. I'm in the trenches trying to figure this thing out, being consistent, dollar cost averaging, and building our portfolio. So if you want some motivation, like, share, and subscribe. Always beware of scammers and fake pages. When in doubt, confirm via my email. It's always in the description box. So today we're going to be talking about our August monthly investment plan. We are already in August, guys, like the second half of the year. What are you guys doing to make sure you're staying connected and focus on your goals? I did create this tracker. This is in my investment planner. I do have the digital versions up on my website. I have long sold out of the physical planners, but don't worry, I am working on 2026. I have some really, really great stuff in store, some new stuff. So make sure you guys stay tuned. And I do appreciate the support. So the extra investing for August, this is extra on top of everything that we already do. And if you don't know, we invest a lot of money every month, but this is extra, right? And the reason why this is a little lower than what we usually do is because we have some other expenses coming up in August that I will tell you about in today's video. So, but first, my affirmation for the month of August is investing is my superpower. This is a quote that I came up with because it really is a superpower. A lot of people, they shy away from investing because they are afraid of it. They don't think it can work for them. They think they need a lot of money, whatever the case may be. But when you learn and understand what investing is, when you realize the impact that it can make, it really is your superpower. And I actually made a t-shirt with this on it because I love walking around wearing shirts with positive affirmations on it. I get stopped and asked about them all the time. And so I'll link a video below where I did wear this shirt and the website where I have it. But I really do believe that investing is my superpower. Again, we have about 700K or maybe a little bit more. I have to do a portfolio update, but invested in investments and retirement accounts only. So, it really does work. Yeah, just keep going, right? Our money goes for the month of August. Let me just scroll down a little bit. We have some big things going on, which is again why this is lower. So we have a family vacation to the beach coming up in August. I'm so excited for this. I love the beach. I love the water. I've mentioned this before, but fun fact about myself. I took swimming in high school and I swam in college. I really do love the water. And major condolences to Theo Huxtable or Malcolm Jamal Warner, because I know he unfortunately drowned in Costa Rica. So yeah, you definitely got to watch out for those currents, undercurrents, because they can drag you out. I mean, you can be a great swimmer and still is nothing like Mother Nature when it has force behind it. So again, prayers to him and his family. But yeah, we're going to the beach, so we don't want to have no debt with that. We're going to go to the beach, stay in a villa, eat some good food, do some go-karts with the kids, just things, fun things. Another money goal is to do back to school shopping. That's another major expense. I mean, I have kids. I have one college freshman and I'll have two middle schoolers. So again, shoes, clothes, underwear, backpacks, and then my daughter wants to decorate her dorm room. So yeah, back to school shopping. And then of course, continue to dollar cost average because that's how we can stay connected to our actual goals. It's so important to do that, guys. Next, we have some stocks and funds we want to buy. And of course, as we go through the month, we check this off, the boxes off so that we know we did it. So SCHD, I am doing a $10 challenge over in Robinhood. We do have a bigger SCHD position in Interactive Brokers that is paused. That position is about 50K. But the smaller position in Robinhood, I am continuing that. That's a $10 automatic weekly investment into that challenge over there. It's a great way to build up your share sizes with small amounts of money and to help you be consistent, okay? Next is we want to continue to build up SCHG and Main Street. Once we get to our share size goals, we will pause. And then down here again, I want to work on getting 4 shares of Costco. This has been our goal for a little while now, Costco and Visa. So we just carry over the goal to the next month until we get to our goal. But, just a couple of dollars here and there, it really does work, especially on pullbacks. I know Costco has been having a pullback, so I like to take advantage of these dips because let's be honest, Costco is a very well-ran company. It's a popular store. It has a huge fan base. Um, and I like it. It's always busy when I go. So, yep, that's what we're gonna do. And we do buy other things, but these are like the focuses, especially like for the channel. Some pre-tax investing here. So 401k contributions, that does not stop. That's continuing to go on. We are looking into opening a new account. So you have seen that in the thumbnail. With Mommy Trader, it's growing. I do make money from my business. And so, talking to our tax advisor and just really trying to figure out ways where we can, be smarter and wiser with the side hustle, the extra money that we make outside of the day job, is opening a solo 401k. So I do have that option with Mommy Trader, and that is something that we are going to explore. I have Fidelity up right here. This is a great resource to help you understand more about solo 401ks. If you have like a owner only business, if you're self-employed with a side hustle like Mommy Trader. And again, when I started Mommy Trader, I had no idea it would grow to where it is now. And again, I do this extremely part-time, which is another reason why, retiring early from the day job. Imagine the growth that I could have with Mommy Trader, being able to, focus a lot of time on it and really just structuring my business and how, I plan for things in the future. So, stay tuned for that. But yeah, just I am going to open it with Fidelity, the solo 401k. We're still talking behind the scenes, my husband, myself, and our tax advisor, but has higher contribution limits. I mean, up to $70,000, which is amazing. Some great tax advantages, and there's no fees. So this is something that I really am looking forward to doing. And it'll be a really good journey, to go on and just having another account we can access for retirement just by doing something I love, which is making videos talking about just our own journeys, right? I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a fiduciary, but there is, I think, a perspective of just an investor, right? Someone like you who's in the trenches trying to, get to our goals. So, and then of course, more pre-tax investing, which is the HSA, which is always amazing. Let me know down below if you do have an HSA. It's a great account to have. I've done a video recently on an HSA. Make sure you scroll back my videos. It's in the thumbnail. It's also in the title. Here's some after-tax investing, the investing challenge for Q3. The polls are still up in my community post, but the majority picked DGRO. You can also invest in whatever you like, but again, the purpose of the challenge is to show you consistency matters. Small amounts of money do add up, and you want to just remember to buy no matter what the market is doing. And research is also important. I have a beginner investing playlist. Check it out. Also, Roth IRA, continuing with that, and then adding to the kids' accounts is always important to save for the next generation, because we want to make sure that they have a good head start. But also teach them too. You want to make sure they understand financial literacy, that money does not grow on trees. You want to help them to become hard workers but responsible as well. Some notes to self: this college bill is due. Actually, we have to pay it, I think it's the 6th of August. We already have the money set aside and ready. So this is a perk of saving for your kids, the add to kids accounts, because when college comes, it just makes things so much easier on your behalf. Also, I have not done this in July, so I carried this goal over to rent the fridge and microwave for my daughter's room, because she would like one, and we have her class schedule. She met with her academic advisor. She has a really like intense course load, some honors classes because she is in an honors program. Some of the classes, I'll tell you right now, some of the classes she's a bio pre-med major. She has genetics, biology, chem, both with labs, calculus or pre-calculus. She has some like honors seminar and like art, I believe. So yeah, she has a solid load. So she would like a fridge and mic in case she can't get to the dining hall. She have her own food in her room. And fun fact, the fridge and microwave package to rent for the year is $219. And then also, of course, money to shop for dorm stuff. Again, she has her colors and aesthetic all planned out, and that all costs money. So we're gonna just, have that ready. Affirmation, another one: I attract financial stability. I do not want to have to stress over money. So this is why we put all of these things in place so we can have more stability. And then our why and purpose, again, as usual, to achieve a future free from financial worry. I don't want to have to worry about it when I'm asleep or stressing out, getting gray hair, high blood pressure. So I'm doing the best that we can with what we have to get to our goals. And then, of course, what I'm watching, reading, or listening to for motivation. This is always fun. I'm having a blast with our investing summer school. Just a great time. Our next session is with my husband. The topic is money and relationships. This is a good one. This is a popular one. I've already gotten questions. Money and relationships. My husband and I have been married for 20 years. So, though we are not counselors, we have marriage and experience under our belt. We've been through the good, the bad, the thick and the thicker. So, we have a lot of experience, and especially when it comes to finance and money. Oh, yeah, there's a lot to talk about here. So thank you to everyone who signed up. If you do want to join, information is down below in my description box. So that is our plan for the month of August. Let me know down below what your investing plan is for August. Remember, it's always important to do something. Even if you don't have a lot of money, something is better than nothing. If you want your tracker, again, everything you see me use, spreadsheets, everything is on my website. I create them myself, and I create things that I wish I had. I'm on year 11 of this journey, and I'm hoping that you're finding some motivation here. So let me know down below what's your plan for the month of August. Don't forget to make sure you subscribe, you like, you share, smash the notification bell so that you don't miss an upload every time I post a video. And until next time, you already know, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.